Hello friends, today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial in how to use the Google Doc extension or add-on called ProWritingAid Grammar Checker and Writing Coach. Okay, so what I've done is I've actually gone in now and I've removed that particular add-on so that I can show you how to get the add-on in the first place. So what you're going to do is go up here to the menu bar and look for this one that says extensions. And then you're going to select add-ons and get add-ons. That will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. And in the search apps, you can type in Pro and Writing, and it will pop up almost instantly there. So I'm going to select that one. You see it kind of looks like a green icon there, or teal, with some pages on it. That's the one we want. And we're just going to go to click on install. And then you're going to have to go ahead and approve permissions for the add-on to access your account. Sorry. Multitasking and my brain froze. So I'm going to hit allow and everything like that, and then it's going to go ahead and install this add-on to my Google account, so then I can use it on my document. So you'll see right away it's already added on here. Sometimes when you add an add-on, you will have to refresh the page in order for it to show up, just so that you're aware. So on ProWritingAid, you have a couple choices. The first is a summary report, and the second is the improved document. Now, if I ask you to turn in a summary report, I will give you a different video that shows you how to get the summary report and what to do with it. But for right now, we're going to work on improving our document. So I'm going to click on Improve Document. It's going to take my writing, and it's going to strip out all of the formatting. This is the free version, so every single time it's going to ask me if I want to buy this, but I'm just going to say maybe later because I don't need it right now. So what it's going to do is then go through my paper, and it's going to analyze it for a number of things, including grammar, spelling, capitalization errors, all sorts of things. But up here at the top, you can see I can do a summary analysis. I can look at my style if I wanted to, grammar, the source. I can even look for words that I may be overusing, and all sorts of things. So it's very detailed in what it can do. So you'll see I've actually pulled up some generic text here. It's actually the beginning of the first Harry Potter book. Don't tell She Who Must Not Be Named, because, you know, she'd probably get real grumpy with us. Especially since it says that she didn't do so great. But part of the reason she didn't do so great is I actually stripped all the formatting, and there weren't any breaks in the paragraphs and things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide some of these other things down here so that they're not in our way, and I will show you. You can see that first off, this word is underlined in red, which is an indication it is spelled wrong. However, this is a name, so I have to be smarter than the program and know that I don't want to necessarily change a name. So I'm not going to change that, but I could, if I wanted to, add that to the dictionary so that it will take that out of our grammar and spelling score. So as I scroll down, you will see that there are some other things underlined in various colors. In orange, it's going to give me a suggestion. For example, here it says remove the word that to make your writing shorter and more clear. If I select that I want to go ahead and do that, all I have to do is click on like the little green part here. So if I want to change good for nothing to worthless, and so on, I can do that. So you can see here it says half past should be hyphenated. Goodbye, we don't typically hyphenate that in America. We write that out as one word, so I can fix that here. And you can see my grammar and spelling score going up as I'm doing this. All right. Where you need to be a little careful is if you, for example, have a space before a period, or say the word I isn't capitalized, a lot of times the line that pops up under them is very small. Okay? And you may not see it if you're not paying close attention. So you really need to pay attention to what you see in front of you, but also, so like for example, if I take this in and change it to just an I, it'll show you how tiny that little blue line there is. So you can see right here that that blue line is quite small. But if I hover over it, you can see it says possible confused word, and it's telling me to capitalize that. And I can fix it that way. This will help me with my proofreading, but not things like identifying problems in format and things like that. The key is that when you're done, you're going to have to hit apply changes and close. So if you're not sure exactly what problems you have on this sidebar, it will go through different parts of it. For example, sentence length, grammar and spelling, a style guide for you, all of those things, okay? And you can see up here on this real time, I can toggle that off and turn off that if I wanted to. But that is going to then take away all of my options for fixing things in here. So you want to leave that on. All right, so I'm going to hit apply changes and close. And then that part of my essay is complete. So again, this is how to use ProWritingAid to use as a proofreader for your grammar and spelling.